Hey, sit down. Where are you going?
For a walk.
To the village?
Well, yes, no. I mean, nowhere particular.
Then come back soon, okay?
I will come. Good morning. Sit down.
Good morning, sir.
How was the holiday? Did you have a good time?
Oh, it was great, sir. I went to Cox's Bazar with my family.
It's excellent. So you'll write a short note about your experience?
Of course, sir.
Good morning, sir. How can I help you with?
Well, I want to buy some watches. Can you show me some men's watch?
Sure, sir. Would you care to tell me about your budget, sir?
Well, my budget is around 5,000 taka. So, show me some watches around this range.
Sure, sir. Just wait a minute. Here you go, sir. There are 3 watches within your budget.
Well, they are beautiful. What about the quality?
So, if there is any problem around the warranty period, we'll replace it.
Well, if that's the case, I'll take the third one.
Okay, sir. Thanks for choosing our showroom.
You're welcome.
Good morning, sir. How can I help you?
Well, do you have anything for dry skin?
Yes, sure. We have a lotion that is good for dry skin. Or you may try this new brand of olive oil. It's also good for dry skin.
Well, in this case, I'll take the lotion. How much is it?
It's almost 350.
Okay, then I'll take it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Welcome. Good morning, sir. How can I help you?
So, I want my teeth to be strong. Can you do it?
Yes, we have here is a toothpaste that will make your tooth to be strong.
Okay, can it protect decay?
Yes, it contains fluoride and calcium. It will protect decay. And you may try it. And I have also a nice herbal tooth powder that would also make your teeth strong.
Well, in that case, I'll take the toothpaste. How much is it?
It almost 150, sir.
Then I'll take it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome. Good morning, sir. How can I help you?
Well, do you have Colgate toothpaste?
Sorry, sir. We don't have this in our stock at the moment. But you can try this Mediclass. It also a good toothpaste.
Okay, how much is it?
It almost 200 taka.
Can you make it 150?
So we can consider 180 taka. Will you take it?
Okay, then I'll take it.
Okay, take it.
Thank you.
Welcome. Good morning, sir. How can I help you?
Well, I have slightly cut my finger, so can you suggest me something to put on it?
Yes, sir. We have bandage to put on it. It works excellent. You may put it on.
Also, how much is it?
It is 20 taka, sir.
So, I'll take one.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome. Good morning, sir. How can I help you?
Well, my mother has a headache, so can you suggest me something that will help her?
Yes, sure. We have Vicks. Will you take it? It will be good for another headache.
Well, how much is it?
It almost 52, sir.
Can you make it 40 taka?
So, sir, price is fixed.
Okay, then I'll take one.
Okay, here you go.
Then, thank you.
And welcome.